Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. We haven't had rain in like 10 days. And so as a result, no matter how much you water it, there are some dry spots in the lawn. It is what it is. Some nut is coming to see the snowblower that I picked off the street a little while ago. As you know, we got this thing going pretty well. I listed it for $275. Now I think that because they're coming from Queens, New York City, it's very rare for somebody to want a snowblower from New York City. I grew up in New York City. There's not a lot of space in New York City. Everything's all packed up together, you know? And so not many people have too long of a driveway either, you know? So that's why people usually just shovel or get one of those snow shovels, you know what I mean? Power shovels, whatever. But you very rarely see snowblowers in the city. But they seem pretty excited about getting it. They haven't talked about the price yet, but I'd be willing to let this go for $200 if they wanted it, you know? So as you know, I winterized this thing because I didn't think I would sell a snowblower in the summer, you know? So has no gas in it. I'm gonna put some gas in it and see if it fires right up. Then we'll load it in the van and see if we get this baby sold. So as you guys know, I've been using my cinematic mode of my iPhone 13 to video some videos. That works pretty well when you're just focusing on narration, such as me talking about something. But when it comes to fixing the part or something, you got to use the regular video button because it senses the closest item or the closest moving thing. So sometimes the things that I'm fixing is out of focus. So right now I'm using the video mode and everything is clear, you know, very clear. But for cinematic, it's just for like talking and stuff. That's for you future YouTubers out there or current YouTubers. Also editing, as you guys know, I do a lot of edits. Like a movie. Think of it like a movie. Just put gas in here. Prime it. I can hear it. It's on choke. Full throttle. Let's see if this baby fires up. Runs perfect. Like I said, this is a big upgrade for somebody from Queens. And I know they're driving at least an hour or so to get here. So are they gonna come from Queens for an hour and not buy it? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell this today, which is great. Because currently I have nothing left to fix. I fixed all my project pile, lawnmowers, tractors and everything. I don't have any more tractors to fix. The only thing I have in my inventory that needs repair are 3 single-stage snowblowers. That's it. So I'm glad that I'm a month ahead of my videos. I could take a little bit of a break, probably paint some of my rifles. Shout out to Matt C. from Millington, Tennessee for buying a sticker. Keep those sticker sales coming, fellas, because it keeps the videos coming almost every day. Every little bit helps. If you can, please donate $1 or $2 if you enjoy the content. PayPal.me/mowers and blowers. Every penny counts and it helps me keep the videos coming. Support the channel. Buy a sticker. So there you go. I'm back from the church where I sell things, and two people from Queens. And so I knew they were going to buy it. The guy who came out was like, I had one before Sandy just like this one. I loved it. And he said that Hurricane Sandy flooded it, so he had to chuck it. He's been looking for one of these things in great shape, just like the one that I had for a long, long time. The reason why he wanted this one was because it's small enough to get into his SUV. Anything bigger than this kind, the handles, you would have to remove them because it's just too high. You couldn't get it in there unless you had like a caravan or a van or something like that. But an SUV, we've tried, it doesn't fit. So the little ones are actually desirable in that respect. Not to mention the fact that mine was in excellent condition, as you guys saw. So what a score. The guy didn't haggle with me. I listed it for $275. He gave me $280. He didn't ask for change, so I never offered to give him change. Hey, $5 is a Taco Bell meal box. You know what I mean? That's lunch. In today's recession, which, by the way, because thinking about the recession, I actually sold some of my stocks just to cut the losses, you know what I mean? As long as I made profit on it. I think a recession is coming because the Fed is going to increase interest rates again. And that's bad news for all companies. So to avoid any further losses, you sell it as long as you're making the money, right? Hold on to it until the economy becomes better, then buy some more. Or sell some snowblowers. He asked me if I had any more. I said, sure, I got plenty. But they're all bigger than that, which means it wouldn't fit in your SUV. Anyway, great sale. I picked it off the street locally here thanks to a tip from Quinn the mailman. Picked it up. What did I do with it? I forgot. Did I just change the fuel line? Is that what it was? I don't even remember anymore because the Alzheimer's is getting to me. You know what I mean? Anyway, great sale today. $280 for something I picked off the street just a little while back. And I don't recall me spending any money on it. I usually don't spend much money on fixing it, you know. I always have the parts on hand. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on this real quick selling a snowblower in the heart of summer episode. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.